What's going on, y'all? It is the day after it snowed here in North Florida. Take a look at that. Got my boy Jack here, Jack the cat. I saw some ducks today that aren't usually here in Florida, so at least North Florida. So we're gonna try our luck tomorrow. We're gonna go to that duck blind. We're gonna see what we can do. Hey baby, it's cold. Look at this. Look at that snow. Who would have thought? Who would have thought, man? We'll see y'all in the duck blind. What's up, y'all? It is around, it's 3 a.m. I'm in my car right now, my truck, and as you can see, it's snow everywhere. But I just got up. I'm gonna chill for a bit, wait for Quinn, and we'll get this show on the road. We'll get out there and we'll start hunting that blind that I got. Oh. Like a sled. Here's the blind. We're chilly. Oh, and awesome, we got snow in there. Cool. Okay. How you feel? It's cold. It's cold today.
We're sitting in Panama City.
There's snow in Panama City. Wait.
Get it.
Yes!
I got it.
Let's go.
Smoked him. He's going down.
Let's go. Let's go.
He's down.
Let's go, baby. They keep going that way. Wait. Oh my God. Get ready. Oh. Right here.
Got him. Get him? I think he's going down. He's going down.
Fucking God. Right above us, right above us. Ready? Ready? Take him. Oh, we got one. Going down. Oh, they're both going down. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We go right here. See that one? Oh, they're coming. It's coming. Ready?
Yeah.
Hold on. Holy shit, it's landing. It's landing. Let it deke. Let it deke.
He's down.
Smoked him.
Come on.
Let's go, baby. He deked. Let's
He
go.
peaked, baby.
Bro.
Start of the morning, we had about 5 minutes in the shoot night. They start flying. We couldn't get any shots off. You'll see that. But and then we got some that came right over top, and son, they got smoked. I'm talking down. We got 2 birds down that we are know of. I can confirm and see right now, and then 2 more in a field that we have to go walk and make sure they're dead. But they were going down, so we're gonna see what we can see. See if we can find them. That's a post I'm happy. Oh, dude, it's big. That's a big woody.
Let's give me that. Let's go. Oh, it's banded.
Dude, no shot.
Hell yeah, boy. Let's go. What a pretty drake. Step down,
That white snow in that nest faked me out. You think we can get through that? Alright. Huh? Here. This is thick, dude. I know for a fact.